Hello and welcome to the C Report tutorial. I'm so glad you came to learn more about the C Report. All your questions will be answered here in this quick rundown of the Solar Energy Estimate Report. There is no hiding calculations with this report, and it will mostly be used by the installer or solar company you are inquiring with. But if you are solar savvy or just want to try it yourself, the C Report is available for you to use for your own experimentation and confirmation. So here I have the creport.org website pulled up, which has more information and resources. I'm going to click the tab at the top labeled Try the C Report. Then click on the Try It Now icon. This will bring you to the Solar Hub website where the C Report is hosted. This is the C Report input form. You can see here, this is the same input form the installers will be using when they are giving an estimate. They click on this box and enter their company information so it will appear for you on the report. I have pre-entered some data to provide a fresh report for you to see, but I will quickly go through what the inputs are and what they mean. The first 6 inputs simply identify the homeowner and the location of the property, so this would be your home address. Down further we get into the equipment and specifics of the home. The inverter is the box that converts the DC power produced from the solar system into AC power that can be used inside the home. Click on the word Select. The installer will search for a specific inverter here in the search box, or simply select from the list provided, which SolarTech regularly updates. You can pick the inverter that you are considering to install on your home or the one your solar contractor recommended to you. I have chosen the first inverter by clicking on this green icon. Once you select your inverter, this CEC weighted efficiency number will pop up. That is the California Energy Commission's average efficiency value for the inverter. It gives a better representation of the inverter's operating capability versus just using its peak efficiency value. We'll say the home needs just one inverter for this example. The module is the actual solar panel. The module inputs are laid out the same way as the inverters. Click Select to enter the database. The module chosen will be the installer's recommendation, or you can select the solar panels of which you would like to see their performance. I have selected the first module in this list. Once you select the module, then enter the number of modules you will need. I have entered 15 for this example. The mounting method is the distance between the module and the mounting it is attached to. The installer will be able to best pick the inputs for your specific home, but let's continue with the first option. Array azimuth in degrees is really just the rotational position of the modules. If you are not sure of this number, 180 degrees is recommended, but again the installer will provide their best estimate for your home. The array tilt is the degrees that the panel is toward the sun, where 0 degrees would be completely horizontal. I have entered 30 for the array tilt of the modules. The final thing we take into account specific to your home is the shading due to trees, seasonal effects, buildings, and the like. Each month gets a percentage, 100 meaning there is no shade at all and the solar panels or modules are in 100% sunlight. I have changed some of the shading percentages to account for weather in the different seasons. That is all you need to get your personalized report. Then click Submit to get your results. And here is your C Report. In the top left-hand corner, you will see the first year estimated energy output and the 25-year estimated energy output for your home based on the system we have chosen. You can compare these numbers with your electric bill today. In this corner will also be the solar company's information so you know who provided you with this estimate. To the right of the kilowatt output is this easy-to-read bar chart of your power output by month, taking the shading into account. Down at the bottom are all the inputs we have entered or that the installer will have entered for you to see. This way you will know exactly what system you have been recommended and the performance you can expect from the installer's estimate. This is the valuable part of the C Report that makes the comparison process simple and straightforward. And there you have the C Report. There is one thing that only you can do regarding this report, and that is to ask for it. Let's spread the word and get the solar companies to provide a standard that all interested shoppers can understand. Ask for the C Report when shopping for solar for your home. Go ahead and check out the Solar Hub website or the creport.org site again if you would like to learn more details, or feel free to contact SolarTech with any specific questions. Thank you and congratulations on your decision to go solar.